On the Invoices tab, there are filters that sort your invoices into different categories. All invoices, active invoices, processing invoices, completed invoices, overpaid invoices, and rejected invoices. All invoices filter brings out every invoice in your invoicing history. Active invoices filters for invoices that are yet to be honored. Processing invoices filters for invoices that have been honored but are yet to be verified. Completed invoices filters for honored invoices that have been verified. Overpaid invoices filters for invoices that were overpaid by parents. Rejected invoices will appear under the Rejected Invoices tab. This system aids bursars to properly manage their school's invoices and finances. Under each category, you find the name of the student with each invoice. Category of the invoice. Status of the invoice. Amount. Balance, if any. The creator of the invoice and the date of creation. Greynote School management made easy.